Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are in the Python basic series for beginners. Our today's topic of discussion is sets. In this video, we will cover definition of a set, then how to create a set, adding a particular element to the set, then uniqueness and immutability of set values, then heterogeneous elements if those can be stored using sets. Then we will also have a look at set operations and a few set methods, followed by concept of set comprehension. So let's jump in with the definition of a set. Set is nothing but an unordered collection data type that is iterable, mutable, and has no duplicate elements. All right, and those elements cannot be accessed using indexes because it is unordered. We don't know on which index position which element is present. Now, just creating a set using variable var and the curly braces, and then elements inside a set will be separated by commas. I just tried to verify whether this particular variable that I created is of type set, and it gives me the answer set after I run this. Then I create a new set, my set one, with two elements, for and Python. Now I try to add D in this set and one additional element, and you would see D got added randomly at any position, and that's what we were talking. We don't know at which position what is stored. All right, so D got added with this add method. Now checking the uniqueness and immutability with Python set, that is, set itself is mutable, all right, but the elements in the sets are not mutable, and that's the description that I have already written over here. If you take immutable objects like numbers, strings, or tuples, then you cannot change those objects. You cannot change those objects, and that is what is immutability for those elements. Now you would see here my set, Python for, and Python. So Python was introduced, or so you can say stored twice in this set already. We tried to store Python twice in this set. However, when I run this cell, you would see it will not get stored twice. It will get stored only once. Look at this first output. This is the output for printing my set. And then I tried to change the value of my set of 1. Now whatever is there in my set of 1, I try to change that value, whatever. I mean, it may be for, it may be Python, doesn't matter really. But what I was trying to do, I was trying to change that value which is not allowed. Okay, so set object does not support item assignment is what it is saying. So those are immutable. Now moving forward, um, you could see here there are different types of elements stored in a single set. This true belongs to Boolean data type, then this is a float, then this is a string. So set allows you to to store heterogeneous elements. Then moving forward, we will see what set operations are possible. These are the same set operations that we have already studied, I think maybe in 9th standard sometime back in maths. All right. um, So two sets are defined, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 as set A, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 as set B, and A union B. So we all know what A union B would give. It will return all the elements without any duplicates that are there in A and B. Okay. So for union, we use this operator, that is pipe operator, and we will get the expected output. You would see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. So all the elements are covered without any duplications. Now A intersection B. So elements that are common in A and B, those are 2 and 4. That's the reason we get the output 2, 4. Then we are trying to calculate difference between A and B. So this is something that will give you the elements that are there in A but that are not there in B. So such elements are 0. If I look at 0, it's there in A and not there in B. So this is one element. 2 is there in A as well as B, so this will be skipped. 4 again is there in A and B. 6 is there in A but not there in B. 8 is there in A and not there in B. So output should be 0, 6, and 8. So that's what 0, 8, and 6. As it is unordered, it will store in any order. So output of this A minus B is 0, 8, and 6. Similarly, if you do B minus A, it will take all the elements that are there in B and not in A. Alright. And then we talk about symmetric difference. So symmetric difference is a minus b union b minus a. So a minus b we already know, we calculated 0, 8, 6. And what is b minus a? B minus a is nothing but 1, 3 and 5, because it is only in b and not in a. So union of a minus b and b minus a is 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. Okay, and it is denoted by the symbol of this cap. Okay, if you use cap, you'll get the symmetric difference. So this a minus b union b minus a is called nothing but a symmetric difference. Let's see which all methods are there with that we can use with sets. So there is a set that has been created and we are using add method. Add is something that we already saw. So I'll just run this cell. If you will see f getting added anywhere in any position, there is no fixed position. It can get any, because there is no such indexing concept in sets. Then s dot discard g, right? So it will discard element g. You would see the output g has been discarded. Then s dot remove, again for removing an element we have a remove method, and you will see e got removed. Popping out an element s dot pop, s dot pop. So it randomly popped out f in this case. If you would see, fks was already there and it popped out f out of fks randomly. It is not like the ones we studied in string or maybe list. The pop method doesn't pop out last element, it pops out randomly any element. After that, s dot clear. So we will get a, if you do s dot clear, then we will get a clear set. Let's see set after updating. Yeah, look at this. This is a empty set. And after that, we create a set a, b and c using list. Here, if you notice, we are using set method, okay, to create a set. So this is also one way to create a set, but as it is a method, it is mentioned over here. It is taking a list and typecasting it to set. So this is also one way to create a set using set method. Okay. So these was all about methods, and that is, and then we have something called as set comprehension. We have seen list comprehension, we have seen dictionary comprehension, and then we also have something called as set comprehension. Very similar for loop written in a shorter way. And if you could see here, there is a set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I mean these elements. There is a list of these elements, and what we are trying to convert this list to, that is set. So we iterate the for loop and we enter, we calculate cube of each and every element and put it in a set. So let's see how this set looks. I run this cell and you would see the output is coming inside a set because of this curly braces. So that's all about sets. We will meet in next session with another basic concept of Python. Thank you.